Good morning, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and this is hive number 441. Okay, the queen was supposed to hatch, according to everything, was supposed to hatch on the 10th. Today is the, 11th? No, today is the 10th. Well, the queen hatched yesterday or last night, and I came in yesterday morning and checked it out. You can cut that queen cell out, cut 2 queen cells out. And when I got here, the queen had already hatched. She hatched a day early. So we're not always right. I'm gonna have to start doing a day early or 2 days early. But anyway, she hatched, and she's a little virgin queen now, running around. And we're going to take a look at it. I didn't look at her yesterday, didn't take a video of her because she was a new little queen and I didn't want to mess with her. So we're basically starting over with 441 again. And in about 2 weeks we should be able to see larvae, because it'll take her that long to go out, play around the hive for a week or so, go out. Some people says you'll see eggs in a week. Well, even if you do, you don't want to mess with a new mother. I have found out. You see their water dish. I put some water in there yesterday because they were getting low. There we go. Put a little food in there because they were getting empty. There you go. So we're going to look at these today and see the queen. Queen's all we're looking for. And you know, if we see bugs or something, but we push that one over to there. We may move it in a little bit so they can have something to do. No, we won't move it in because I got this one. This one has some larvae, some a little bit of pollen, a little bit of nectar. No queen. Bottom clean. Okay. This one has a fat frame right here that we need to cut off, and we may do that here as soon as we find out where the queen's at. This one has some nectar, a little bit of pollen. Don't see the queen. Okay. This next one here is the one that had all the queen cells on it. But I was a little bit late on cutting them out. Which means I've got a couple of hives here with no queens in it, but we've got a few more hives that's got queen cells that's coming up in it, so in a couple of days we can cut them out. There she is. This one here has some honey, some brood, a queen. Same thing on that side. Now, let's see if we can see her again. We find her and then we can do something else. Well, we can't see her, so what we're going to do is show you some stuff. This is where we cut that one queen cell out, and this is all just honey over here and nectar here, brood here, honey here. Side over here. There's a little queen right there. She's a little thing. Littler than most of them. But there she is right there. But she cut down some queen cells. This one here is one that was cut down. It might be one she hatched from, but they're cutting down the sides. There she is, still walking around over here. This is one that they cut down the side. And when the queen hatches, she goes get something to eat, and then she comes back and starts killing queens. But that's all we're going to show on this one. So we're starting a new 441 here. And we're not going to bother with her for about a week. Let her go out and do her thing. And we'll come back and cut that fat frame out. Put this all back together. Put their water back on. Yes, I know this is all crooked and everything right now, but it'll stay that way till the queen gets to feeling better. We got that there. She has pollen. We're going to put her a couple of peppermint patties on there. We'll put one there. Peppermint patties is supposed to help keeping the beetles under control, and it seems to be working real good. So I go to Wally Marks, buys 3-pound bag of peppermint candy, and what I don't eat, the bees don't eat, the dog will eat. Yeah, y'all remember the dog playing in the mud puddle. But that's that. And we'll come back and take care of them in a couple of days. I won't video it. I won't video it until maybe a week, 2 weeks, depending. Here we go. Put our brick up here, hang it off the edge, which means there's a virgin queen in there. And that's it. But that's 441. We missed it by a day, or 2 days. But anyway, should have cut both queen cells out to start with. Y'all have a marvelous day. You take care of yourselves. And there are the little girls down the bottom. And they're happy. It's muggy out here today. Temperature's not bad. We got cloudy, muggy, wind's blowing a little bit, so it's okay. Y'all have a marvelous day and be happy, be careful.